Hello viewers, welcome to the video series of solid question paper. Second B question is find the pedal equation of the curve r to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m cos m theta plus sin m theta, and this also carries 5 marks. So the curve is, solution is, we need to find the pedal equation. So the pedal equation is P is equal to R sin phi. So first we'll find out what is the value of phi, and then we'll substitute it to P is equal to R sin phi. So first let us consider the curve r to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m cos n theta plus sin m theta. So this is in polar form, which involves r and theta log on both sides. So that is log r to the power of m is equal to log a to the power of m, this entire thing, cos m theta plus sin m theta. We know that the property of log m into n, log of two function is here, a to the power of 1 is one function and this entire thing is one function. So log m into n is log m plus log n. So and this is r to the power of m is power log r. Power comes within this, multiply by power into log r. So log m to the power of n is m log n. We'll use both the property here. So m into log r, this is one property, and log a to the power of m plus log cos m, this entire thing, m theta plus sin m theta. So by property this is to reduce us to this form. Now we'll differentiate with respect to theta. So what we get is log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta. So this is a is a constant, log is also constant. This entire thing is 0 plus log of something is 1 over cos m theta plus sin m theta. So differentiation of cos is minus sin m theta into m minus m into sin m theta plus differentiation of sin m theta is cos m theta into m. So cos m theta into m. So this, if I take this m as a common factor, this gets cancelled with the m in the LHS. M I'll take it as a common factor, so it gets cancelled with the LHS m. We are left out with 1 over r. So this is nothing but, this entire thing is nothing but cot phi. Cot phi is equal to cos m theta minus sin m theta. So I'll write this as minus sin m theta divide by cos m theta plus sin m theta. Next step is cot phi is equal to, if I take cos m theta common factor, 1 minus sin m theta by cos m theta is tan m theta, sin by cos is tan, divide by cos m theta common factor, cos m theta by cos m theta is 1 plus sin m theta by cos m theta is tan m theta. Even this one also cancels. The standard expression for this trigonometric expression is 1 minus tan m theta by 1 plus tan m theta is cot pi by 4 plus m theta. This is a standard expression. So what is the value of pi is pi by 4 plus m theta. So we have found out the value of pi, and it is pi is equal to pi by 4 plus m theta. What is pi? Pi is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. So that is pi. P is equal to r sin pi. What is pedal equation? Pedal equation is nothing but the expression for perpendicular from from pole to the tangent. P is equal to r sine phi. We have found out the value of phi. We will substitute in this expression. So what we get is P is equal to r sine. The value of pi is, what we have phi, the value of phi is pi by 4 plus m theta. We will substitute here pi by 4 plus m theta. What we get is P is equal to r into, so we know that sine of a plus b, formula of sine of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sine of a plus b, here also sine of a plus b, where a is pi by 4, b is m theta. Sine of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We will apply this formula here. So what we get is sine of pi by 4 plus m theta is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. But what is the value of sin? Pi by 4 is 45 degree. So both are sin 45 and cos 45 value is same. They are 1 by root 2. P is equal to r. So I will take that 1 over root 2 as a common factor. R over root 2 cos m theta plus sin m theta. So what does this implies is cos m theta plus sin m theta value is root 2 p over r. Over r. The value of sin m theta plus cos m theta is this one. We will use it in the curve. So what is the given curve is? So in question the curve is given. So the question is r to the curve polar form is r to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. So we have found out this value cos m theta plus sin m theta. Will eliminate theta by, final step is elimination of theta. So the curve is r to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into cos m theta plus sin m theta. So we'll take it as equation number 1. And what is a to the power of, what is cos m theta plus sin m theta? Just now we have found out that it is root 2 into p by r. So substitute root 2 into p by r. So if I take this r to the LHS, r to the power of m into r is equal to a to the power of m into root 2 p. So what is this? The power is 1. So bases are same. We can add the powers. So r to the power of m plus 1. This is equal to a to the power of m into root p. This is the pedal equation for the curve, given curve.